Hello everyone and welcome back to FORnSEC Solutions. We are back again with an amazing tutorial. For the new viewers, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then do subscribe it now because our channel provides informative videos on cyber forensics and cybersecurity. As per the current situation, most of the workaholics are working from home and are performing online or virtual work, right from giving online presentation, right from doing online clientele conversation, or as a part of security expert perform VAPT testing virtually, and for this we need an application that can help us to connect with our client virtually. So in today's video, I'll let you know about a tool that will help for a secure remote connection. And yes, many of the tools do not help us to transfer the files, but this tool will also help us to do the remote connectivity and transfer files virtually. So do watch this video till the end. The tool that I am going to discuss today about is AnyViewer. अब ये AnyViewer क्या है? AnyViewer is a remote desktop software for Windows. Let's just see its website. You have to just search for AnyViewer. Once you have searched for AnyViewer, you have to click on the very first link which you can find it over here. AnyViewer is a remote desktop software for Windows. So here are some of the basic 4 features of AnyViewer which you can see. First is safely access remote computers for Windows. Quickly transfer files between local and remote PCs, easily offer remote support for customers, and flexible play PC game from any place. So as we can just scroll down the website, we can see that it has 3 features yet again. First is safe and reliable, second is fast and stable, third is flexible and considerate. Safe and reliable means for remote connection activities, security can be the first thing that users concern. Of course, when you are connecting with someone, the very first concern that you will have in your mind is security. So, AnyViewer is secured by elliptic curve cryptography encryption, protecting your data from leakage. In essence, if you are connecting with a remote connection, if you are connecting with a client, and if you are transferring some data between your clients, so it is protected by the elliptic curve cryptography, which will help you to prevent and to protect your data from leakage. Second is fast and stable. Of course, when you are giving any presentations, you need a remote connection that should be fast and stable. You do not want any of the glitch in between. So AnyViewer helps you to complete stable and fast remote connection to transfer the files from one PC to another or multiple PCs at the same time with high image quality. Third one is flexible and considerate. Intuitive and concise interface guide you through remote access computer easily. Flexible and considerate means this software is really very easy to use. You just have to enter the ID of the remote PC, or you have to tell your ID for a connection. Meanwhile, the remote desktop manager has flexible connection methods, automatic updates, and multiple language supports. Now this was about AnyViewer, its features. Now let's just see what AnyViewer can do for you. The very first thing is get remote access to work computer. If you need to access work PC from outside for necessary data on it, but don't know how to set up VPN or perform forwarding using RDP, so here you can use AnyViewer to get the remote access to any of the work computer. Next one is transfer files between local and remote devices. For example, many of the applications which we are currently using won't allow you to transfer files between one PC to another because of the limitations or because of the features they are having. That is, you have to purchase the particular application to transfer the files locally, but this software will help you to transfer the files locally to the remote devices. Next is fix technical issues without being on site. For example, if you are having your client in any of these state or any like out of India or anything, and you want to fix the technical glitch they are having with, so you do not have to visit the client side. You can just fix the technical issues via connecting remotely with the help of AnyViewer. Next is play PC game for elsewhere. This is yet another feature, that is you can just play PC games if you are bored enough. So here is the option for download. So here is the download option. You can see here they have 2 options. First is download for free and the second one is you can buy it also. The download for free option is available forever. You can use it for free forever itself. Yet also it has one sign in option, that is you have to create an account in it, having only few basic information. In the sense, you have to provide your basic information like your name, your email address and a password to protect your account. That's it. You have to just provide these details. You have to create an account and you can start using it. So here you have to go for the option of download. You can select the option of free download, and it is only for 39.1 MB. Once the exe has been downloaded, you have to install it. As you install any of the application, it is really very easy to install. Now let's just see the demo of this application. See, this is the application which we have. This is any viewer. Here you can see login, connect, device and settings. Login is, as I said, you have to create an account over here. Once the account has been created, you can use it. Next one is connect. For login, I'll just log in it. So here I have logged in into my account. Next one is connect option. This is accept control. This is start control. Start control isn't here. You have to mention your partner ID for which you have to make a remote connection. Once this is done, you have to click on the connect option. You have to click on the option of remote control, or you can select for file transfer. If you need to only transfer the files, you have to go for file transfer. If you want to have a remote control of the machine, you can go for remote control. Once you have mentioned the partner ID, just go for the option of connect, and this ID is accept control, as in if the another partner wants to access your PC, then you have to give him this ID. Next one is this is the device, like it will show you the number of devices which were currently connected. Next is the settings option. You can do changes if you want any of the changes, as in changing your password or anything. Now let's just see. I have mentioned my partner ID over here, that is 311630991. I'll go for the connect option. Once this it will have two more options. Choose the way to control the partner device. First is send a request to your partner. Second is input security code. Input security code is, as in if you are seeing here a temporary security code of yours, same wise this one security code will be displayed on your partner's application. So you can mention the security code over here, or else you can send a request. As in any viewer will send a request to your partner, he has to accept the request. Once the request is accepted, you can view the remote connection over there. So I'll just send a request to my partner. So as the request has been accepted, and you can see that this is the remote control which is displaying of my partner. Next thing is, here you will see different options over here. The very first option is operation. In the operation option, you can find numerous options, like if you want to log the PC, if you want to log out the PC, restart, shutdown, etc. Next is also when we are having conversation via remote connection, then it sometimes get difficult due to the internet connectivity that we are not able to connect. So you can have a chat option also over here, or else if you want to request something to the client, that please open this folder, please paste this document. So you can just send the message over here. For example, if I am sending is please open program files. This is just an example. You can just send this message over here. My partner can see the message and he can do the same thing. Next is, this is the mode option. Mode is if you want to have a high quality, if it is for high speed, and the balanced option is automatically selected, it is default. Next is screen option. What type of screen resolution you want? You want 136 into 768. This is the original one, and it is yet the selected thing. Next is files option. As I said, so if you want to transfer any of the files in between your partner, like the remote connection which you have established, if you want to transfer some of the files in between, so you have to just go click on the option of files. So this files option will show you two desktops. The very first is local device, which is my device. Second one, you will show the remote device, that is the partner's device whom I have connected. So from here, if I want to transfer any of my file from, for example, if I am transferring this, so to my remote device, you have to just select this option and you have to send the selected files to the remote path. Also, you can change the path over here where you want to save this. So as you can see that this that the file which I sent to the remote device has been saved onto the remote device. Next is, if my remote device wants to send some of the files to my device, then also he can perform the same. It is just the same thing which we did here. you have to just click on this folder and you have to click on this send option, and it will be saved onto my device. So this is so simple to use. It will show you all of the files. You can also change the path over here. You can change like if you want to send any more other documents, then you can change the path from here and you can send the same, and vice versa. The other thing is, if you want to end the session with this, if you want to end the session with your remote connection, you just have to go on the option of, you just have to close this application. So once this application is closed, the remote desktop connection has been closed from here. So I hope you would have got an idea how to use this particular software. Also, I'll mention the download link into my description box. You can just download it from here. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for liking our channel. Keep sharing our videos, keep loving our videos. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay secure.